You built something great, and then packaging it for the asset store turns into a boring night of manual checklists. I love that this tool removes that grind and makes submitting feel like a real workflow. Asset Store Publishing Tools runs validation checks before you send things off, so you can catch missing files or broken metadata early. It streamlines the whole submission process, cutting down the back and forth and getting your package closer to a fast approval. The interface is surprisingly approachable too. You do not need to be a hardcore programmer to prepare a clean package, which opens the door for small teams and solo creators to sell their work without wrestling the pipeline. With 366 reviews and a strong 4.59 rating, creators keep calling it essential to their daily workflow. That is the kind of trust you want from a publishing companion. One honest catch: validation does not always match what human reviewers will flag, so a green report can still come back rejected. Treat it as a first pass and manually walk through the guidelines before submitting. It costs $0, and if one asset gets approved faster because you used it, that alone pays off 100 times over. Grab it now and make your next release feel effortless. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. That moment when a scene feels empty because every wall is gray block? This pack fixes it with a cozy village vibe and makes platformer worlds feel alive in seconds. Inside, you get 124 props, from bushes and rocks to treasure chests with open and close animations, plus fire effects and a demo scene. Drop them into a tile map, and suddenly your level looks handcrafted instead of placeholder gray. Setup is friendly for beginners because the sprites share a consistent 32 by 32 pixel style, and everything works as simple prefabs. It is a clean drop-in for prototyping, and the same assets can stay in a polished final game. 72 reviews put this at 4.88, and players keep calling it gorgeous, generous, and crazy that it is available at this price. The charm is undeniable. The one snag is tile alignment, because some diagonal ground tiles can show tiny white lines or shake when the camera moves. Tighten your pixel snap settings and you will be fine, but expect a little fiddling. For $0, that works out to 0 cents per prop, and 124 props at that price is a win in any book. Throw this into your next platformer today. Nature scenes are beautiful until you try to scatter trees, grass, and bushes under a deadline. This Lite pack gives you a quick way to bring outdoor spaces to life without a heavy investment. Ultimate Nature Lite is a free slice of a bigger nature toolkit, so you get reliable outdoor assets without the full library weight. Use it to block out forests, test lighting, or prototype a meadow before committing to an expanded pack. The real win is speed. Drop elements into a scene, and suddenly the environment has a believable shape, perfect for early builds and gray boxing with personality. It keeps the project light while showing where your world is heading. It holds a perfect 5-star score across 31 reviews, and early users are clearly happy with the polish. For a nature starter, that is a great signal. Because it is the Lite edition, the amount of content is intentionally small, so you may exhaust the variety quickly. Pair it with your own rocks and extra props, or treat it as a test before buying the full package. At $0, you skip hours of hand modeling grass, bushes, and tree scatter. That is a huge time saver, so give your scene some outdoor life today. Building a forest from scratch takes forever, and terrain without trees feels like a map with no soul. Nature Starter Kit 2 brings back that easy, built-in workflow for people who want quick results. The trees and bushes are compatible with Unity's built-in tree generator, so you can tweak trunk shape, branches, and leaves right inside the editor and create new variations in no time. It also comes with grasses, ground textures, and a simple skybox for a full scene foundation. Beginners love how approachable it is, because you do not need advanced shader knowledge to sculpt a believable meadow. Editing colors and shapes with familiar terrain tools gives you a fast start and a satisfying sense of progress. With 341 reviews and a 4.58 rating, it has been downloaded by thousands of devs learning terrain creation. The reputation is solid, even if the age shows. Here's the honest part. The package is old, and it can fail to compile on newer Unity versions or show pink shaders outside the built-in pipeline. Stick to an older LTS build or be ready to convert materials manually. For $0, this is a fun way to get terrain practice, and a freelancer's custom tree set would cost far more. Grab it before you start your next environment. Everyone loves that chunky low-poly look, but premium art bundles can empty a wallet. This starter pack brings the famous Synty style into your project without costing a cent. Polygon Starter Pack gives you a proper slice of Synty's iconic art direction, so you get that recognizable game-ready vibe without modeling a single prop. Mix these pieces with other shapes and colors, and watch your scene look like a real product instantly. Because it is designed as a starter pack, it is the perfect way to test whether this style fits your game before you invest in larger sets. It is also great for game jams where you need a polished look on a tight timeline. It sits at a perfect 5 out of 5 from 50 reviews, and the community treats even this sample as a serious production asset. That is a strong vote of confidence. The only downside is the word starter. This is a sample, not the full Synty universe, so bigger projects will quickly want more variety. Use it to prove the look and plan an upgrade path. At $0, that is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, and it looks way better on your hard drive. Give your prototype the art bump it deserves today. Third-person controllers are deceptively hard. Camera smoothing, root motion, jumping, and physics all have to cooperate. This template lets you skip the nightmare and stand up a character almost immediately. With third-person controller basic locomotion, you can set up any humanoid model in less than 10 seconds using a drag-and-drop workflow. It supports rigid body and root motion, includes a basic camera, and gives you jump and locomotion out of the box. It is also great for learning, because the code and scene are small enough to read and understand, and the template plays nicely with Mixamo animations. That makes it a reliable starting point for student projects, jams, or quick mechanic tests. 246 reviews keep it at a solid 4.52, and users consistently call it a fast, beginner-friendly way to get moving. For a starter controller, it earns its place. Be honest about the limitations. The codebase shows its age with jittery physics and occasional compile warnings on newer Unity versions. Use it for prototyping and learning, not for shipping a polished commercial build. It costs $0, so treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut today. Grab it and watch your character sprint across the scene in minutes. Networking is intimidating, sync bugs are worse, and rolling your own solution can turn a fun project into a support ticket. Mirror is the open source framework that keeps multiplayer fun and actually feels good to use. Mirror gives you a clean way to sync data with SyncVar, send messages from client to server with command, and push updates back with client RPC. The server and client live in one project, which is a huge productivity boost, and the architecture scales up to serious commercial hits. It is battle-tested and backed by a huge community, so when you get stuck, there is always a forum thread or Discord member ready to help. That support network alone can save you days of headbanging. 302 reviews and a 4.74 rating put it among the most trusted networking tools in the store, and major titles have shipped with it. That is serious street cred. The docs can be inconsistent, and Unity upgrades sometimes cause installation hiccups. The fix is to lean on the community and work through the official examples, because the answers are definitely out there. This one costs $0, and if it saves you from even one rebuild of your networking layer, it has paid off 1,000 times over. Give your game the multiplayer foundation it needs today. Car controllers are a rabbit hole. One bad torque curve, and the car floats like a balloon. Prometeo gets you rolling instantly with a simple arcade-style foundation that feels good from the first drive. You can set maximum speed, reverse speed, acceleration, steering angle, brake force, and drift multiplier, plus adjust the car's mass center and wire up engine sounds and tire smoke particles. It all works with Unity's wheel colliders, so the behavior is predictable and easy to tune. The code is clearly commented and the docs are straightforward, which makes it a great learning tool for beginners and a quick base for experienced devs who want to customize. It is also lightweight, so it will not bloat a prototype. 112 reviews give it a 4.78, and the comments highlight how quickly it works out of the box. That is rare for vehicle physics. It relies on the legacy input system, materials need converting for URP and HDRP, and there is a hard-coded speed cap that is tough to change. Treat it as a disposable base and refactor if you move toward a polished commercial game. At $0, you skip a weekend of fighting wheel colliders, which is a huge time saver. Go download it and put something fun on the road today. Starting a platformer means collecting a lot of art, characters, enemies, UI, tiles, and icons. This pack pulls those pieces together so you can focus on level design instead of hunting for assets. You get character sprites with a run animation, enemy objects, coins, maces, spikes, a chest with animation, water animation, buttons, icons, and panels. There are seasonal terrains and backgrounds in spring, autumn, and winter, which gives your game a lot of visual range. The textures are mostly power of 2 and pixel perfect, so they integrate cleanly with tile maps and keep memory usage friendly. Source files are also included, which is a thoughtful bonus for artists who want to tweak colors or shapes. 452 reviews give it a 4.7, and the community clearly appreciates having a cohesive 2D art set available this easily. It lowers the barrier for first projects. The big catch is that it is raw art, not a plug-and-play game system. There are no functional scripts, and some users report import persistence problems, so treat it as a visual resource and build your own code around it. For $0, you get a full visual starter kit, and a custom set from an artist would cost much more. Grab it and build something colorful today. Sometimes you just need a human-shaped placeholder for animations, scale checks, or lighting tests. Cubes and capsules work, but a proper dummy makes everything feel instantly better. Human Character Dummy is exactly what it sounds like. A clean, human-proportioned reference model that you can drop into any scene. It is perfect for blocking out shots, previewing animation timing, or acting as a stand-in while the real character is in progress. It is also a great way to set up cameras and test environment scale without waiting for your final hero model. Small teams can use it as a shared reference across animation, code, and level design. 28 reviewers have left it a perfect 5 stars, and that is exactly what you want from a helper asset. No surprises, just a dependable dummy. This is a dummy, not a playable character, so do not expect animations or a full rig by itself. Pair it with your animation workflow or use it only as a visual placeholder. It is $0, and if one client project uses this as a stand-in, you have paid it off 100 times over. Grab it now. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.